Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect sub-items from one board to another board on the sub-item level in Monday.com. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your workspace. After you've logged in and your dashboard loads, direct your attention to the left sidebar where all your boards are listed. From there, click on the board you want to work with. This is the board where you'll be setting up the connection between sub-items. Once you're inside your chosen board, take a look at the left panel where you'll see the Items section. In this section, you'll notice a small icon that allows you to expand the view. Click on that icon to reveal more options and settings for your items. This expansion gives you access to additional features that aren't immediately visible in the default view. Now that you've expanded the Items section, look for the plus icon. Click on it to bring up a menu of different column types and features you can add to your board. From this menu, select Connect Boards. This feature is what allows you to link items from different boards together, creating relationships between your data across multiple workspaces. It's particularly useful when you need to track related information or dependencies that exist on separate boards. After selecting Connect Boards, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In this panel, click on Select Boards to start choosing which boards you want to establish a connection with. This is where you specify exactly which boards will be linked to your current one. The system gives you flexibility here, so you can connect to just one board or multiple boards depending on your workflow needs. A list of your available boards will now appear. Browse through this list and select the board or boards you want to connect by checking the box right beside each one. If you need to connect multiple boards at once, just keep checking the boxes next to each board name. This makes it easy to set up several connections in one go rather than having to repeat the process multiple times. Once you've made all your selections, click Connect Boards to establish the connection. After clicking Connect Boards, Monday.com will show you a prompt with additional setup options. For now, click I'll do it later to skip this step and move forward. You can always come back later to configure more detailed settings if needed. And that's it. You've successfully connected sub-items from one board to another board on the sub-item level in Monday.com. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.